Hi, this is Glenn with Family Handyman. We took this plain old closet and turned it into a versatile and convertible workspace. Let me show you how we did it. We used hollow core doors to make the shelves in our closet workspace. We had to break apart the internal structure to make room for our solid edge filler pieces. Cut your filler strips to the length you need and then glue and nail them in place. We marked the location of the wall cleats, noting the position of the studs in the wall. But first we pre-finished them, it's easier that way, and then we nailed them to the studs. Pulling electrical wires is never as easy as you think it's going to be. We found we needed to get through some existing framing, so we cut away a bit of drywall and drilled through the 2x6s so that we could get the wires where we needed them. When you cut the drywall pieces, make sure you save them because you'll reuse them to patch the wall. Using small plywood backers, you can easily screw the drywall back into place and patch it as needed. When we set our shelves in place on the cleats, we decided to screw them in place so that we could remove them later if needed. We cut our piano hinge to length and attached it with screws to the fold-down desktop. We used a combination square to mark the placement for the folding leg brackets on the back of the leg below the desk. After pre-drilling the holes, install these brackets with the supplied screws. Using clamps to hold the folding desktop in position, attach the other leaf of the piano hinge to the desktop. We marked the placement for 3 grommets on our desktop. The one in the center just lets us organize cables, and the 2 in the corners are power grommets. Those 2 power grommets will plug into a power strip surge protector we positioned below the desk. We found shelf organizers that make our space work perfectly for us, and we found a desk chair that fits inside when the closet doors are closed. Make the space work best for you. As you can see, our closet workspace can work for anyone in your house. It can be a home office, it can be a kid's workspace, it can work for arts and crafts projects. And at the end of the day, it folds back up into a closet. For more great projects like this, visit us at familyhandyman.com.